You are a Jedi Master.
I learned from the best.
Hey, good morning from beautiful southern Nevada. Man, I just love it out here, guys. You know, if you watch a lot of my videos, you know my son and I, we love to shoot still plates. And anyways, back in 2017, I did a video called Beginner's Guide to Shooting Still Plates. And in that video, I put together some plate racks and did a lot of shooting. And a lot of guys have asked me where I got the parts to put these racks together. And I directed them to this company on eBay called Owl Creek Fabrication. So I'm going to talk about Owl Creek quite a bit in this video because, man, they really make some quality products. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over here. I'm going to take a look at some of the stuff they just sent me. And then my son and I were going to set up some racks and do some shooting and just have a lot of fun. So, son, let's get set up and show these people what we got. You know, let's talk about the steel that Owl Creek uses in their plates here. Now, this is actually cut with a laser, and then it's deburred and cleaned. So when you order these plates, they come just like this, unpainted. But while I'm talking about this, let's look at some of the targets I have here. Again, this is AR500 grade armor plate steel made right here in the USA. Everything I'm going to shoot today is going to be a 1/4 inch thick. Now they do have 3/8 and they have 1/2 inch plates. But let me show you the difference here. Here's a 1/4 inch plate next to a 3/8. You can see there's a big difference there. Of course, the 3/8 is 50% thicker than the 1/4 inch. It's also 50% heavier. Now, if you're going to shoot just handgun rounds, 9mm, 45, 38, 22, just stick with the 1/4 inch. That's all you need. It's cheaper than the 3/8 and it's a lot lighter also. All right, I have these two pieces here. You know what they are? Well, no, that's not what they're for, okay? Actually, you take these two pieces and just slide them together. And look at this here. It's a spinner target. When you shoot it, it's going to spin, which is pretty cool. Now, Owl Creek says to get these welded, okay? I haven't done that yet because I wanted you guys to see what they look like. But I am going to shoot them today unwelded just to see how they hold up. But again, if you get these, if you get this spinner plate, make sure you get it welded. Okay, I'm going to put together two different racks today. The first rack is going to use a 2x4. And it's also going to use these little brackets right here. And this type of hook. So, let me show you how to set up a steel plate rack using a 2x4. Okay, first thing you're going to need is some 3/4 inch pipe. You can get this at Lowe's or Home Depot. This is actually a 3/4 EMT conduit. It's you can find it in the electrical department at Lowe's or Home Depot. Now you can either get 5-foot lengths like this one, or you can get a 10-foot length and cut it in half. A 10-foot's going to be cheaper than 2 5s, but just thought I'd throw that out. Anyways, put this together. I'm going to take one of these and I'm going to build a set of legs right here, and again right here. And now all I'm going to do is take my 2x4 I got a couple of hooks here I'm going to slide on. And bam, there we have it. 2x4 pistol rack. Okay, the second type of rack is going to use these pieces right here. I call this an A-frame, and basically fits in both legs like this. Now, with this type of rack, you will need 5 pieces of pipe, and I'll be using this type of hook right here. So put your legs together, your centerpiece. I already have these mounted. I use, why don't you come a little closer? I use hose clamps to keep these hooks from sliding down the pipe while I'm shooting. But again, very easy to put together. And bam, there's your pipe rack. Hey, let's talk about paint just for a moment, guys. You can go to Walmart and buy a can of spray paint for 99 cents. Tell you right now, don't waste your money on it. You got to put on 4 or 5 coats. Paint's real thin. I like this Rust-Oleum 2X. Goes on nice and thick. So I'm going to paint a target here, and then we're going to get the other rack set up and do some shooting. I do want to mention also, the very minimum you want to shoot a steel plate is 10 yards. If you're going to shoot magnum calibers, you want to get back at 25 yards. And if you're going to use a rifle, minimum 100 yards, okay? When you order these plates, look at the description, look at the distances that you can safely shoot these, but these 1/4 inch standard pistol calibers, 10 yards and further, you're good to go. So let's set up this other rack and do some shooting. Hey, before we get started shooting, guys, make sure you have hearing protection and make sure you have glasses on, because if you shoot a lot of steel, you're going to have little pieces come back once in a while and hit you. Safety glasses are a must. I do want to mention, if you order from Owl Creek, if you order 2 sets of targets, they will give you a 15% discount. Pretty good deal.
Hey guys, I'm gonna start off with a 3-inch plate. Then I got 2 8-inch plates. I got another 8-inch plate, and then an 8x12.
All right, that 3-inch is going to be kind of tough.
Yeah, it is.
You up
See
to
if I
it?
can hit it. Well, we're gonna find out.
All right.
All right, let's give it a shot.
There you go.
Well,
Nice
missed
hit
one,
on
but
that little one.
yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and try that again. See if I can get a clean run this time.
There
we
you
go. That was better.
Good job.
So my dad's challenging me. We're gonna do one-handed, 1 round each target, so you can get the most hits.
Nice.
Well, not too bad.
Guess it's my turn, huh?
It's your turn.
Yep. Ah, right above that little one. I guess we're tied, huh?
No, actually, I got you.
Oh yeah, you did. I missed 2. Turn that damn camera off. Glock model 45, 9mm. Ay, ay, ay. That little one, man, it is tough. Nice Ruger.
Well, it didn't spin. But
Doesn't spin with the 22.
I'm gonna try the spinner with a 9mm.
You know, we shot this quite a few times with a 9mm, and you know what? That's still nice and smooth. Didn't dimple the metal at all. Anyways, it's holding up really good. Yeah.
There you go. Shoot them orange ones right behind you. Nice.
Your turn.
45. Oh yeah. Hey, you know, my son and I, we had a blast shooting these targets. So if you want to get into shooting still targets, go to eBay, check out Owl Creek Fabrication. Man, they make some really good stuff, guys. They really do. I highly recommend them. Anyways, thanks for watching. And we'll see you guys next time.